My name is Imran Wasi, and I remain your true economic and financial educator. All right. So this particular period, we have been exploring to understand the stock market, and the stock market exists for individuals who want to invest and take other investment opportunities and all of that. But for you to take a decision to invest, because you have several schemes and several options, you have to be able to understand. So today, I want to explore to help you understand the difference between stock investment and that of trading. All right, very important, because depending on your financial goal and what you set for yourself, you will take a decision whether to invest in stocks, whether to push your money into trading or other investment schemes that are available. All right, so stock investment, it's more or less seen like planting a tree. All right, when you plant a tree, the tree will actually give you yield, but it takes a longer period for the plant to be able to grow, mature, and then begin to bear the fruit or your yield that you'll be expecting. That is how we look at the stock investment. Stock investment is not for a short-term thinking, short-term agenda, or short-term financial goal. It is actually for a long-term financial goal. So if you want to invest into stocks, then you must know that for you to be able to get the yield as you'll be expecting, to get more returns as you'll be expecting, your thinking should be long-term. And in the long term, we are defining it to mean that you are looking at 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. All right. Now, when it comes to trading is more or less like you, instead of planting the tree, you have avoided that one, but you buy the fruit and then you sell it. So when you buy the fruit, you realize that the fruit is not supposed to keep long in your hands. Other than that, it will spoil, it will go bad, and you lose your money. All right. So in trading, it is actually for short terms. So depending on your financial goal, then you have to be able to take a decision whether I have to invest in stock or I have to trade or take other investment schemes like bonds, treasury bills, and all of that. All right. So this is what is clearly important for us to know. In the stock investment, it is based on business growth, how the business is performing so well. And for you to be able to understand how the business is performing, their profit and loss, you look at and then you also look at the cash flow statement. These are the three ones that will help you be able to digest so properly and understand where the company actually stands and whether you have to buy more stocks or more shares in that particular organization. When it comes to trading, it's based on price movement. So how prices are changing over time.